Hello, this video is about parabola. Parabola, it is a locus of a point, or we can say that a collection of a point which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point and is equal to its distance from a fixed straight line. Fine, but I will explain further with the help of a diagram. This is a right-handed parabola. We have four types of parabola that I will explain further, but here we will focus on a right-handed parabola, and the equation of this parabola is equal to 4 square is equal to y square is equal to 4ax. Fine. In order to give definition of this parabola, I would like to focus on the definition of a circle. What is a circle? Consider a circle. This is the center of the circle, and this is the radius of the circle, and I have doubled this radius. This has become diameter of the circle. What is a circle? Circle is actually the collection of points, and this point can be placed anywhere on the circle. So this circle is actually a collection of points which are equidistant from a particular point which we call as center of a circle. So actually a collection of all the points which are equidistant from a particular point which is called as center of the circle, those collection of points is called as a circle. In the same way, a parabola is actually a locus of a point, or we can say that a collection of point which moves in such a way that its distance, so it is also a collection of points which moves. So this is the movement of the parabola, or I'm sorry, we can say that this is the movement of the points. So collection of points such that its distance from a fixed point. Which fixed point? This is the fixed point which we called as focus. Fine. So these points, its distance from a fixed point is equal to its distance from a fixed straight line. And which straight line they are talking about? X-axis, y-axis? No, they are not talking about these lines. So a line which we call as directrix, this we will consider over here. So distance of these points from a fixed point which is focus will be equal to its distance from a fixed straight line which is directrix of the parabola. Fine. So this we can say that points, this distance will be equal to this distance. This is the this is all about definition of the parabola. We will talk about this right-handed parabola, and this parabola, we have actually four types of parabolas. Right-handed parabola, as the name suggests, this parabola will be on the right side. Fine. So this is our y-axis and this parabola is on the right hand side. So this is a right-handed parabola. I will explain everything about right-handed parabola, and rest of the things you can understand from this lecture only. So in right-handed parabola, the equation of the parabola is equal to y square is equal to 4ax. Fine. And y square is equal to 4ax, and here axis will have, axis of this parabola will be equal to y is equal to 0. In this case, y will be equal to 0 because we are drawing our parabola on x-axis. Fine. And I have already mentioned that directrix, this is the equation of the directrix. That means equation will have value of x, and on the left side of the y-axis we have all the negative values of y. So I told you that the distance between focus and directrix will be equal, and focus of a directrix is equal to a0. Let this distance is equal to a, so focus will have a0 points, right? So directrix will also be equal to x is equal to minus a. This distance will also be equal to a. Fine. So the axis of this parabola is equal to y is equal to 0. Next is directrix. Directrix of directrix of this parabola will be equal to x is equal to minus a, right? Directrix is done. Now tangent at the vertex. I forget to tell you that this is a vertex and vertex will always be 0 0, right? And tangent at vertex, so this is a tangent at the vertex. Tangent at the vertex means all the values of y, and at this point x will be equal to 0. So tangent at vertex will have x is equal to 0, right? And as I've already told you, the points of focus will be equal to a0 here. The next thing is equation of the lattice rectum. First of all, in order to explain about equation of the lattice rectum, I would like to tell you what is a lattice rectum. This total length will be the length of a lattice rectum, and this length will be equal to 4a. Can we say that this portion above x-axis, this portion will be equal to 2a, and the downward portion will also be equal to 2a, and the end points of the lattice rectum can be written as, we have value of a over here equal to value of x over here is equal to a, and value of this height will give the value of y. Fine. So this is the, in downward direction y will have negative value, so minus 2a will be the end point of the lattice rectum over here, and here the end point will have a, and the value of y over here, this is also equal to 2a, so positive 2a. Fine. So can we say that the equation of we were doing equation of a lattice rectum, before that length of lattice rectum, total length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a, total length of lattice rectum. And ends of I have already mentioned ends of the lattice rectum, ends of a lattice rectum will be equal to a plus minus 2a. I have combined both the cases, plus minus 2a, and we were doing equation of a lattice rectum. Equation of lattice rectum, equation of lattice rectum will be equal to x is equal to a, right? X is equal to a will be the equation of a lattice rectum. And apart from this, I would like to, as I have already explained right-handed parabola, and now you can do left-handed parabola, I will explain about upward parabola over here. So as the name mentioned, upward parabola will be upper direction, will be in upper direction of x-axis, right? So this is upward parabola, and this is a vertex. Fine. And the focus will be equal to 0a. 0a is the focus. Now equation of upward parabola is equal to x square is equal to 4ay. This is the equation of the upward parabola. Now x square is equal to 4ay. Then we will talk about directrix. I have drawn this directrix. When focus is equal to 0a, then directrix will be on the opposite direction, right? And if it is in the opposite direction, then the distance of focus and that of the directrix both are equal to a, means both will have same distance. Let us name it as a. So the equation of the directrix will be equal to y is equal to minus a. This is the equation of the directrix. Let me write over here. This is the equation of the directrix. And the axis of this parabola will be equal to x is equal to 0. We are drawing this parabola on y-axis, so x will be equal to 0, means we will consider that x will be equal to 0 in this case. Now y tangent at the vertex. If we talk about tangent, this is the tangent at the vertex, this is a parabola, and this is the tangent at the vertex. and what will be the tangent at the vertex? This will be equal to y is equal to 0, and axis is x is equal to 0, and tangent at the vertex will be equal to y equal to 0. Now as I have already mentioned, focus will be equal to 0a. Directrix I have mentioned. Equation of the lattice rectum, I told you the total length of the lattice rectum is equal to 4a, and if we divide in half of direction, then this will be equal to 2a. This portion will be equal to 2a and this will be equal to 2a. Total is equal to 4a. Find this direction as focus is equal to 0a. 0a for y, the distance, this distance is equal to a. So I have written a on both the sides. Find this distance is equal to a, and this distance, as this is equal to 2a, so this x-axis will be equal to 2a. So these points, the end of the lattice rectum on this direction will be equal to 2a. On this direction, as this distance is equal to 2a and this is the negative direction, here we write negative values of x-axis, so the value will be equal to minus 2a for this point, and the distance of y over here is equal to a. So this is the end points for lattice rectum, which is equal to plus minus 2a comma a. Anything else which is left? No, this is all about it. In this way you can make a downward parabola also. Fine. If you understand this properly, then you can make both left-handed parabola and down-handed parabola. And thank you so much for this.